My name is Syed. I'm from Chicago. I came here and had the hair transplant. It was from start to finish, very well done. I'm very happy with the results, and I hope everything will grow up very well in 6 months' time. So far it looks great. Everything worked out very well. Thanks to MCAN for all the good services in very cost-effective manner. So MCAN Health was extremely good. The coordinators were there asking me for all the facilitating the process, and they took care of me from start to finish. I'm very pleased with the results, and I'm looking forward to having good hair back.
Will you recommend MCAN Health to others as well?
Yes, certainly I'll recommend it to anybody who wants to do it very well and very professionally done.
How did you find MCAN Health?
I was looking online for a few options, then I came across MCAN with lots of references, and I started interacting with their coordinators, and that's how I was able to fix an appointment.